Good morning, students. Myself Abhishek Sharma from Mount Literacy School, Jhansi. Students, we are continuing with 9th chapter of Business Studies of class 11, and today we are going to discuss fixed shop retailer, small scale and large scale. But in today's class, it will be for small scale fixed retail shops. So basically, there are 5 types of small scale fixed retail shop. Let's discuss one by one. General store. General stores are small shops located in the residential area. These stores deal in items of daily use like groceries, confectionery, stationery, soft drinks. They have a large variety in each line of product. They create personal relationship with customer and keep them happy and satisfied. Second is specialty store. Single line stores are small shops which deals with one line of product. These stores deals with one line of product, garments line, stationery line, textile, medicine, shoes, footwear, etc. These stores deal in a variety of goods in that line of product. For example, stores dealing in garments have children's garments, gents garments, and garments for all size and all brand. They are generally situated in marketplace. They provide customer services which vary from store to store depending upon the type of product. Next is street shops. These shops are situated at street crossing or on main road or on corner of colonies. They are also known as street stalls. These are temporary platforms used to display the goods for sale. These shops have limited space. They deal in wide variety of low priced articles such as hosiery items, toys, magazines, etc. These retailer displays their goods on tables or stands. Second hand goods shop. These shops deals with second-hand goods or used articles such as books, utensils, furniture. These shops sells used goods. The goods are generally priced low because these are used goods. They buy goods from private and public auctions. These shops are mainly for the poor people who cannot afford to buy a brand new one. Sometimes people from low income group, high income group also visit these shops in search of antique and rare articles. Second shop. There are the shops to sell goods which are not produced according to the required specification. These goods always have some defect in them. These shops deals in the product which have some manufacturing or production defect. Goods sold in these shops are not used or second hand. They are new, fresh, defective goods. Goods are sold at heavy discount price. This means seller is offering these goods at a very attractive price, heavy discount giving. The price of the goods depends upon their defect. This means the defect will decide their price. If the good is too much defective and the defect is easily visible, then the price will be low, and when the defects are not easily visible, he or she may charge a good price for that particular product. So defects are here by which price of the any goods are being decided. Many manufacturers have their own second shop to clear their defective stock. Some manufacturers in India maintain their own second shops to clear their defective goods which are produced in the production cycle or during the production process. Sometimes these shops are set up temporarily by taking premises, halls, banquets on hire. You have also witnessed this, that some group of people take any premises or big hall banquet on hire for a week or for a monthly basis, so that these types of goods or these types of article which have some defects can be displayed to the public, and the person who are interested to buy them, they can buy these defective goods because they are fresh and they are unused. So students, today we have discussed small fixed retail shops, general store, specialty store, street, second hand and second shop. So basically there are 5 types of small scale retail shops. So that's all for today classes. Thank you and have a nice day.